What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. Sunday morning here in beautiful New York. 7:41 in the morning on June 23rd, 2024. Heading on an emergency service call. Customer had messaged us yesterday. Mike, I know when Daniel was here about a month or two ago, he gave us a new lease on life with our central air conditioning system, but unfortunately, I think it's kaput. Here's that message.
When they looked at our air conditioning in May, they thought that we could have a problem, and we are having a problem. It is working but not blowing cold air, and the house is set at it's 75. When I lower it, it's not working.
So now we're heading from Woodmere all the way to Syosset. Syosset is a hamlet in the town of Hempstead, kind of like in northeastern part of Nassau County. We're going to take the commercial route. I'm going to eventually get onto Peninsula Boulevard and take that all the way to Glen Cove Road and then to the Long Island Expressway heading eastbound. So should take me Sunday morning at before 8 in the morning. It should take me about half an hour. So it's there you go. Let's go. Expected.
How are you, sir?
Morning, sir.
All right. Good to see you.
You as well.
All right. Thanks for coming over.
Tell me what happened.
Well, the unit runs,
Okay.
but it's
Not
nothing
warm.
cool's coming out.
So warm air coming out of the vents.
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly.
System is off.
Yeah.
Okay, let's
Yes.
turn it on.
Okay.
And let's set it to like a number. Let's turn it to 70. I'm gonna go see what happens outside.
Oh,
Make sure that was on. Right. Nice cold air coming out of here. I don't think I hear the compressor. Take a look at the ICM. Literally, it blew apart the front. Wow, look at that. The ICM literally caught on fire. It needed a lot of power. Let's make sure we discharge capacitors. Don't want to get zapped like Ted Cook does. All right. Let's see if we can get this bad boy back to life. All right, so we had installed the soft start because the compressor was giving the homeowner some problems. Every time the system came on, the lights were flickering pretty bad. Electrician came out, blamed it on the compressor. We found the compressor drawing a lot of amperage, and we actually spoke to ICM, and they suggested to see if this would work. So the 16A did work for a while, but now we got the 32A. This is the ICM 870, 32 amp. Got it wired in exactly how it needs on the little wiring diagram. I got it up high as possible because I wanted to avoid the terminals and the contactor. I cut back my wires as short as possible and left the armor plastic intact. Just cut off what I didn't need, and so that's secured right in there. We're gonna turn this bad boy on and we'll see what happens. Fault. Alright, so the ICM 870 has an onboard diagnostic LED indicator. A continuous rapid flash is not indicated as an indicator fault code. If you refer to the installation guideline, a rapid flash code indicates the normal start delay is active, and in case you didn't know, it is a 4-minute start delay built in. So we have a timer set for 2 minutes and change, 2.5 minutes remaining, and hopefully we'll be good to go. Looks like Daniel Tang in the Mikey Pipes group chat just responded to the message of what this was for. What's that for? Let's see. Emergency service. On Sunday. On Sioux Day. Check out the Mikey Pipes group chat if you guys are interested in joining. There it is right there. Check out the Mikey Pipes group chat. We have about 200 guys in there, and we keep it mostly HVAC related, but it's also a place where guys in the trades can also vent and stress their emotions. Check it out, the Mikey Pipes group chat. There's our compressor. Nice. All right, so I checked my incoming amperage on the red and the black here. I'm getting 15.5 amps on both individually. All right, ladies and gentlemen, off camera, we spoke about the age of the system, the multiple repairs to the furnace and to the outdoor air conditioning unit, the condensing unit, in the recent years. I calculated 7 service calls for repair in the last 5 years. Listen, when we installed the equipment 15 years ago in this customer's home, they wanted, the builder's grade system, and we installed the ream. And they were quite happy with it for about 10 years. And then after year 10, the thing started to break down and fall apart. Nonetheless, after some real quick discussion about what's available out in the market today and rebates for electrification, it was kind of a no-brainer that they're getting a Bosch.